Assalamu alaikum friends. In this video I will show you how to use the LN command and EXP command in TIA portal V16, and I am using S7-1200 PLC. Let's start. In previous lectures I already explained about the how to create new project. That's so in this lecture we no need, and go to your main OB. And first of all, I will take my one command. That's no need. That I will give the name M0.0 my internal relay, and that I give to the open contact. And here I will use my in math functions that LN command, and here I will take one row for expansion command. Basically this LN command is logarithm command. LN means logarithm neutral, forms the neutral logarithm of a floating point number. He says that will go in if we will go with see LN from neutral logarithm. You can use the form neutral logarithm instruction to calculate the neutral logarithm to base E means equal 2.7 of the value at input in. The result is sent to the output and can be queried there. What he says, if you giving any value to the input of this command, after you got the answer at the output of this command. Basically this is working for at as a calculator, because this many times in childhood we use in from 4th class to 5th class to 6th class, and all this formulas for to using the big values calculation, multiplication and other. And when you free you can read this all data what he says, after you can better understand and see. First of all I will make my some data in data block. Already I have is here LN1 and LN2, EXP1, EXP2, and this I will make it in real, because of that logarithm commands or math functions when you are using in real, that will be giving you best result. And if you using in any other data registers, that will be maybe not giving the correct answer. And here I will take my first data in data block LN1, and here I use my second data in data block 1 LN2, and here I will use my that data block number 1 from EXP1, and here I will use my data block in data block number 1 EXP2. So when I put any value at this data block, it will be gives the answer at the output, and this is we have to use in real, yani you not use in any other data, it will be maybe not correct answer. And I will download to my this program to the PLC. And then click load, and after go to your simulation. and that I make modify at 1, my command will be working. For example, I will write it here 3 and 3 digit of the what's the logarithm answer. This he gives 1.098612. He gives this answer of this data block. For example, we will go to even our Google. We will check this which value he is showing us. This value is okay or not okay, and we will go in calculator of the logarithm. We have to be write it here. Neutral, NUT RAL, neutral, logarithm neutral calculator. After it will be gives you the, and that I can see if it's okay. See, for example, I gives this value, which value we gives in this command 3.0. I will put it here 3 and I will calculate, and what is his answer giving. He gives that answer 1.098612. That means which which value we put it in this program, this software from TIA portal, and this our value and this Google value is, it will be matched only. For example, I will put it here 4, and what's the logarithm of my 4? He says 1.386294. And now we will check in logarithm its correct answer or not correct answer, and we will put it 4 and we will calculate, and he gives the answer 1.38629436. Yani as which value he gives, this is same value. When this command where we can use any, where you like to make any formulas or something in the PLC, you can use this command. For example, I put it here 5. What's the logarithm of 5? Here we can check the calculate 1.609. See the same value, and also this is the in different working. Yani this values are LN and expansion. This commands how it works. If you this value gives at this input, he will be gives the correct answer of this one. For example, I will write it here. Wait. For example, I will write it here 1.1609438. When I gives the value at this pinpoint, he gives us the answer 5.0. This opposite works this command. Yani what's the answer? This I digit if put it here inside, it will be this answer, and if this answer I will put it here, it will be give us the correct answer. And also if you need the directly need conversion in when using in program as your own method, simply you can go offline, and here it write this data which is here LN2. See LN2, this data when you write it here, it will be automatically your conversion makes and continue shows to an program. Because when you understand about how to the make the inside the program any formula or something, after you easily any can convert your figures. See that 50, when I put it here, he gives this answer, and this answer When is coming at here, he will give us that answer. For example, I will put it here 3 digit. He gave this a 1.098612. He, and when this value comes at here, it's giving your result at the output. For example, I will put it here 6. What's the 6 logarithm? He says 1.7917, and it goes to a direct here this data, and it's give the this answer 5.966. That's the value. And if you put it here 7, and he will gives the answer same like this 6.9, and this value he transfer it here. For example, I put it here 3. It will be automatically converts your value and shows to at the output. And I think it's the very last and interesting method of the use of these commands. Very simple, yani when you like to using these commands in the PLC programming, you can use this one. And when you are using to in the program, use your with own method, any formula when you like to make in the power calculation, or there is a long data yani you like to calculate and take the answer at the HMI and like to see what's the value. Now what is this yani you can do with this command. I hope you complete understand about this LN command and EXP command. And if you not understand anything about this command, can send me message at comment sections. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.